All right, here we are, day number 30. Casa de Malouff, remodel, rebuild, everything. We're making it happen. So today is Saturday, and the crew is, well, they're showing up later with the tile. And I think we're just going to put the tile, oops, that shit didn't work. Did somebody come in the house? Okay, the door's open. Anything missing? Anybody recognize anything missing from yesterday? Door's open all night. So anyways, they're picking up the tile today, here probably right now, and they're on the way here. So, I think we're going to start the tile this next week, but got to get the floor all cleaned up. The walls and ceiling, I think, have to be sanded one more time to be smoother a little bit. They do look good. I'm not up there reaching to see how smooth it is. Let's see here. It's got a little bit of texture to it, so they need to sand it down a little bit and smooth it out. But I think we'll be all right. So anyways, back to thinking. Where's my thermostat? Uh-oh, they took the thermostat. So anyways, so today, I'm here solo. I'm not sure how long I'll be here, what all I'll do. So today may be a short video as well. This light is on because they put it on the constant and there's no switch to turn it off. So it is what it is. So anyways, maybe today is going to be a cleanup day, cleaning up the floor. Or maybe I'll try to paint the walls here in the garage and get ready, because I want to go to my house and get my rack thing that goes up here. And this week maybe mount that, start bringing some things. So if I paint the garage wall today and the garage is done as far as that part's concerned, then I got to clean the floor. So then the big garage is going to become the storage unit now for all the parts and materials. But I can slowly start bringing some stuff over, or I got to install this garage door opener before I do that. So anyways, I guess there's still a lot of more things to be done. So let's see here. We got the tiles to do. We got the doors to put in. We got the cabinets, kitchen cabinets. We got the gas line to be installed here. The two windows there. The recessed lights, that's going to be real easy. They should get that done in no time. The doors, after the doors are put in, then I'll make shelves, and I'll put shelves in here and on this one. Then I got to buy the shelf and the bar for the closets. I'm not going to have closet doors. So if any roommate comes, they worry about that crap, whatever. Just, hang your clothes and be happy. So, what else needs to be done? Floors, cabinets, painting, doors. Oh, electrical outlets. So we're coming along. Wow. I didn't realize how not too far away we are. So, or today may be a day where I go by the shower glass doors for the shower. So anyways, all right. Welcome to day 30. Enjoy whatever little bit it may be. I don't know yet. You'll see when I do it, what I do when I do. And we'll go from there. I don't know If and when I'll work on the shed. Maybe tomorrow, but tomorrow's Sunday. Maybe I'll take a day off. No such thing as a day off. Got to get it done. So, all right. Well, get this. We got the sliding door. Watch this. Oh, wait. Let me go from the inside. Imagine this. Let's lock the door. Hey, wait a minute. It didn't come with a clip. So we got to go back to them and say, hey, we need the clip. So they'll get that taken care of this week. Anyways, all right, well, we're moving on to the next step. And you'll see whatever it is I decide I'm going to do next. And you'll just watch it. Enjoy. Day number 30. right, day 30 may come to a real quick close, only because I don't have the tool or a pair of pliers to take that off yet. So I got to go take care of that, whatever it is, and then I was going to primer the walls in the room here. The guys did bring 1 pallet of tile, but there's like 3 or 4 more pallets over there, and they brought the tile that goes on the floor, not on the walls in the bathroom. So they were here earlier to try to start the walls in the bathroom. Well, that didn't work out that well, so nothing's going to be done today. So today I'm going to go ahead and pack up, and I'm actually going to go shopping at Lowe's for shower glass, shower doors. So that's going to be today's event, and we're going to lock everything up here. Lock the doors. Okay, and let me shut all the windows. Make sure I got all the windows. So the floor is pretty much cleaned up. I guess they're ready for the guy. I mean, they'll have to sweep it again and vacuum and get all the made debris out. So we're moving along. Well, sort of moving along. Nobody here today, but I have a feeling we should be done with the flooring maybe next week. I don't think it'll take them a couple of days, but what upsets me and concerns me right now is they should have already put the tile or the cement here already and let it dry before we start the flooring, the tile. So we'll see. Maybe the tile's gonna have to wait till next week or so, because that's got to dry, at least a week worth of drying. So we'll see. Anyways, day 30. Sorry for the short popcorn video. We'll call it a Snickers video. I did a little bit of cleaning in the front, picked up a debris. I was going to sand the steel. Maybe I'll come back after lunch and I'll sand the steel. Something to do today. Or I'll go over to my other house and start packing. Because once this thing is done, I got to move. Man, maybe I'll stay over there just for the hell of it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, day 30.